True beauty starts with nature's brilliance. At Kancor, we unlock its power through innovation, transforming nature's finest ingredients into high-performance personal care solutions. With decades of expertise, our plant-based actives redefine skincare, hair care, and sun care. Our ingredients are crafted to deliver efficacy, purity, and sustainability. From powerful Ayurvedic blends to innovative botanical actives, Kancor brings nature's brilliance to every formulation. Our natural actives are clinically validated, ensuring results without compromise. Powered by nature and perfected for you. Kancor Personal Care, where nature meets innovation.